Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is the second part of the last video. Last time we learned how to make this character. This time we will make a bookmark out of these. So just grab your materials and draw with me. Before moving to sketching, first we'll try to observe the shape, the outer shape of it. Now there are two ways to go about it. You can make same as it is, or you can just give a twist or add your own element to it. Before moving that how you can add your own element and give a twist, first you need to sketch some basic shape. As you can see in the video, I'm just taking my clip card and observing the basic shape and draw that. Here is one thing. Try to keep your shapes like this, that one shape should be above to another shape. For that, first sketch your shape completely. Don't think which shape will go behind or which shape will come above. Right now just draw your whole shape like you can see in the video. And if there any space left, you can add any new shape. You can take any shape or you can just repeat any one of these. Now it's part 2. Now we will add hands and legs. If you want to see how you can draw different types of hands and legs, then please do comment. I'll make sure I'll make a video on that. Now it's a fun part. I enjoy this part very much. Now it's time to add emotion. Right. You can take emotions from these clip cards also, or you can add your own also. So this is the time when you actually think about your character. You think like what type of emotion you want to give it. What is your character actually saying? What you want to other people to feel when they see your doodle. You can answer these type of questions, and then you can come up with your own emotion. And if you're finding difficulty how to make an emotion by yourself, then don't worry. I already made 2 videos on this where I share how to draw eyes and mouth in different ways. You can check them out. Just pick any type of eye from there and any type of mouth from there and create your own combination, and you will be surprised to see that it will say something. It will be an expression of something. Okay, so just have a fun with that and create your own combination. Try to add with the shapes and you are good to go then. And don't worry about erasing things. You can erase multiple times till the time you are not satisfied with your character. Now it's also a time you will decide which shape should be above and which shape will go behind the other shape. As you can see in the video, now I'm erasing those lines which I don't want and adding emotion to my doodle. Basically I'm just finalizing the shape before moving to ink it. And it's totally fine. You can always go back to the other doodle to make changes. It's totally okay. So you remember I said you have to add your own twist and own element. The same example I'm doing here. You can see I've just added those little wavy line. You can see the difference now in these two. So I made those difference. I made the change in the shape. Now I'm adding change in the eyes and I'm keeping the mouth the same as this. So you need to modify the shape as per your taste. It can be anything. This is the best exercise you can do when you are exploring different shapes. This you can apply to anything, like when you want to explore hands, you can make changes in that. You can modify the shape of that. You can make changes in legs. Whatever you want to explore, you can just take some reference and study some how to do it, then make modification in that. Try to come up with your own. Try to see what you can add to those elements in that. So always remember to have fun with the shapes. Try to use your imaginary, try to connect different shapes together. Try to include one shape to another, whatever you feel like. Just explore as much as you can, and believe me, you will get new shapes and you can make your own shapes also. And with this step we are done with the sketching. Now is part to ink it. So these are the marker which I use. You can take any pen, you can use colors also, whatever you feel like. So this is how I like to do it. I like to give a outline with a very thin tip marker so that I can see my whole composition together, how it is looking and what all the elements I have to add, I have to subtract from the whole composition. It might take some time, so do it with patiently and be consistent with your lines, and if you don't want to it, then you can directly go with the thick marker. Try to add some detail also. As you can see, I have added those lines inside the face, some dot here and there. It makes your doodle interesting. This is how my bookmark is looking right now. Now I'll add a thick line around the shapes. And for emotion detailing, use a thin marker again. So this is how our bookmark is coming out, and I don't liking the white background in the back, so I'll want to give some dot there. So just take a thin marker and give some randomly some dot pattern there. It was our last step. If you like this video, please make sure that you subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share with your friends. If you have any other topic, then please do comment. I'll make sure that I make a video on that. Thank you so much for watching this video.